Hi, Dave Youngquist, Michigan Toy Soldier, and welcome to a new series, building a 1/16th scale Tiger 1. Now, this series is going to probably run over the next 6 months or so, but we'll have other videos, tutorials, running in between everything we're doing here. Now, this kit has been out of production for a number of years, but I was lucky enough to obtain one from a local modeler, and it's going out, when completed, to a good friend of mine, thank you Larry, on the East Coast. Now, when assembling something of this scale, there's a couple things you have to do in preparation. Number one is assemble all the correct reference material, as much as you can possibly get, and then I'm going to show you all the different products, tools, etc. that are going to be needed to complete this project. But I want to show you, just to give you an idea how big this is. Now, typically I work in 1/35th scale, probably like most of you. This is a monster. I mean, look at the size of these treads. This is going to be a very challenging project, one of the largest projects I've ever done, and I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get started. One of the real fun parts about modeling for me is the research required. I actually enjoy that. So I've assembled a number of books that are really going to help me to complete this model and make it accurate. This book by MMIR is a great one, Building the Tiger Tank. Another one on the Tiger. You can't have too many books. Here's one on the Tiger 1 and the Sturm Tiger. Really great detailed shots here. An older one, but still there's some great line drawings in here, which is going to be important. And another one on the Tiger tanks. Because it's not only the reference material to get an accurate model, but it's very interesting to learn about the actual history, where this tank would have been used in combat. And we are building the early Tiger 1. So we've got those, and I'm also going to be referencing a number of DVDs. We have Modulation Style by MIG Productions, a great new one from AK Interactive, and I'd like to give a shout out to AK Interactive. They were really the genesis for this project. They have graciously donated a number of their new products, and we'll be using the full complement of those on this particular kit. AFV, Acrylic Techniques. I paint with acrylics, so we'll definitely be referencing this video. And then another one, which is a bit older but very good, Compendium Films, Realistic Armor Finishing Techniques. Let me show you some of the tools and the products we're going to be using to complete this monster. Okay, the photo etch for this kit has been ordered. The photo etch is made by Aber, and we're going to be using the Small Shop 5-speed hold and fold to do all of our bending chores, and we'll also be using the wire assist from them. These are fantastic products, by the way. Everything will be primed in the Gunzi 1200, that's my favorite. And of course some super glue, model cement, and we'll be using a number of tools from the Xuron Corporation. Now, for a lot of the finishing effects, we'll be using the AK Interactive. Again, this is a new line of products, but boy, they are really fantastic, and I'm looking forward to getting my hands into all of these. They're very affordable, all enamel based. Can't wait to try them. And then, of course, we'll be using some MIG Production filters, oil paints, and pigments on this particular build. This series is not going to cover the actual build of this. It's really going to be more in the finishing techniques of the final model, and also the painting of the figures and the weathering. It's really going to encompass everything that we have done over the past year or two. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you stick with us over the next couple months as we build this monster. And as always, this has been Dave Youngquist, Michigan Toy Soldier on YouTube.